Welcome to Bombproof Wednesdays. If you're sick of being injured or you want to be proactive and bombproof your body, this is the series for you. Today's exercise is a great transition movement between two classic yoga positions that's great for your back and shoulders. Starting off in the child's pose position, pelvis right back on your heels and arms right up with your hands about shoulder width apart, lever up into the Cobra position. Instead of the chin up in the Cobra position, I prefer the chin in to work the deep neck flexors that improve posture. Then making sure your body is pushed right up to protract your shoulder blades, slowly push with the heel of your hands back towards child's pose. Repeat 10 to 20 times slowly. Hold briefly in each position, but the main aim is mobilizing the low back, so keep moving. Moving between these positions mobilizes the lumbosacral joint fully through its main plane of motion. This joint causes a huge amount of low back problems from all the sitting we do, so this is a wonderful way to keep your back healthy. And pushing with your hands between the two positions engages the serratus anterior, which if you follow my videos you'll know is super important to protect your shoulders. You can even push a bit with your legs against your hands to create a bit of resistance to work that serratus muscle even more. If the Cobra position, arching backwards, hurts your back, don't do this exercise, but otherwise add it to your routine and enjoy.